what's up? How are you? Welcome to my channel and thank you for joining me for today's video. So today I'm going to be testing out the colorwow DREAMCOAT Supernatural Spray. So I've had my eye on this product for quite some time now, so I'm very excited to finally have it and be able to test it out. And of course, I want to share that experience with you guys. So this is award-winning humidity sealant, stops hair from becoming a hot mess, even in the highest humidity. It's activated by heat and it's supposed to last through 3 to 4 shampoos, which is awesome. So to use it, you're supposed to shampoo and condition your hair, which is what I have done. I just got out of the shower. All I have done is comb through my hair. I have not used any other product. And then you spray each section liberally and comb through. And then you blow dry each section using tension. So it says that drier heat is required to activate the product. So I'm really excited to see how this is gonna look. I think that I'm going to spray this in and then blow dry my hair regularly till it gets about almost dry, and then I think I'll go in with my Revlon styler because it says to add tension, and so I think that would work great for this. So let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, so now that I've got my hair about like 90%, maybe even more than that dry, I'm going to go get my Revlon blow dryer and apply that tension. Okay, so here is what it's looking like after I've stouted. So I definitely notice a lot more shine in my hair than I normally have. So I can see where people say that it gives that glass look effect. It feels really soft. It feels really smooth. I know the number one thing that this is supposed to do is to help control frizz. And this isn't technically frizz, but I do have a lot of new growth at the top of my hair. And there are a lot of like little flyaways that are just standing up, large and in charge all the time. And I thought that maybe this would help to smooth those down, but it is not at all. Like, they are still up there, they're still going strong. So I'm a little disappointed about that. So it was very easy to use. It was very easy to style my hair. My hair does not feel weighed down or greasy at all. I really like the way that my hair turned out, but do I think that I can get this style like using other products? Yes. I'll actually show a clip of my hair straight like this from another video. I'm sure there's not much difference. I think the biggest difference is that I see more shine, but you could probably just use a shine spray for that. So I'm a little underwhelmed with this product, or maybe my expectations were a little bit too high on what this was going to do and how it was going to make my hair look. But right now it's just looking like I have a good hair day, but it's nothing spectacular, especially for the price of this, and you do have to use a lot of it in your hair. So I guess we'll see just how this works with humidity. So I do live in a humid area and I am going out tonight. So I will check back in with you guys at the end of the night and let you know how it went and if I have experienced any frizz. Okay, so I kind of forgot to film last night when I got home. However, I did not have any frizz and my hair looked great throughout the night. So this is the next day. This is what it's looking like. I haven't washed my hair, but I did take a shower, and there's a lot of humidity in the shower because I like really hot showers. So it didn't frizz up on me at all. So I think it does work really well for humidity control. So if you have hair that is very frizzy and you live in a high humidity climate, I would recommend trying this product out because I think it does do a really good job at frizz control. If you don't have very frizzy hair, do I think you should try it? I mean, you know, I do really like the way my hair looked when I used it. It's shiny, it's smooth, but I feel like I said before, I feel like I can get that result using similar products. Don't think it is life-changing or anything. And it's definitely not one that I think everyone needs. So if you have tried this product, please leave your experience and your thoughts down below so that you can help others. And that is going to do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!